Do you study English every day, but when you try to speak, the words don't come out?
Like, you know the word, you saw it, you read it, but when you open your mouth, nothing?
Or the word comes out, but it sounds wrong, and you feel embarrassed?
Yes, that feeling. So many beginners feel this every day.
The problem is not your brain. The problem is your mouth. Your mouth needs practice.
And today, we practice together. This is English conversation practice for beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast.
Hey, we are so happy you're here today.
If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is for English beginners. Simple English, real practice, every episode.
And if you are a returning listener, hey again, always great to see you back.
Today's episode is a little different, and I think you're going to love it.
Yes, today we do something very active, very practical.
Today, you speak with us. You repeat. You practice out loud.
So, if you are alone right now, perfect. Open your mouth. Nobody is listening. Just practice.
And if someone is near you, well, they will hear your beautiful English.
Let's go.
Okay, Mike, why is repeating out loud so important?
Great question. So, reading English is one skill. Listening is another skill. But speaking is different.
Speaking uses your mouth, your tongue, your breath, your voice.
And your mouth needs practice like any muscle in your body.
If you never run, and then one day you try to run fast, what happens?
You get tired very quickly. Your legs are not ready.
Same with speaking English. If your mouth never practices, it is not ready.
But if you practice every day, even 10 minutes, your mouth gets stronger. Words come out faster, more naturally, with less thinking.
And that is what we do today. We warm up your mouth. We practice your English voice.
Think of this episode as a workout for your English mouth. Ha! English mouth workout. I like that.
Ready to exercise?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with something simple. Greetings. We say it, you repeat it, out loud. Ready?
Here we go.
Hi.
Hi. Say it. Hi.
Good morning.
Say it. Good morning.
How are you?
Repeat. How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
Now you. I'm great, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Say it. Nice to meet you.
Good job, everyone. Feel how your mouth moves. That is important.
Now let's try a short conversation. We say both sides. You listen first, then we repeat it, and you join in.
Listen first. Here's the conversation.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. How about you?
I'm great. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I slept late, but I feel okay now.
Good. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. That sounds perfect.
Okay. Now let's go through it line by line. Repeat after us.
Hey, how are you today?
Say it. Hey, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. How about you?
Your turn. I'm good. A little tired. How about you?
I'm great. Did you sleep well?
Repeat. I'm great. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I slept late, but I feel okay now.
Say it. Not really. I slept late, but I feel okay now.
Do you want some coffee?
Your turn. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. That sounds perfect.
One more time. Yes, please. That sounds perfect.
Beautiful. How did that feel? A little easier? Good.
The more you repeat, the more natural it feels. That is the goal.
Okay, let's talk about how to repeat, because repeating is a skill too.
Yes, it's not just saying the words, it's saying them the right way.
First, say it out loud, not in your head, out loud.
Your brain and your mouth are different. Your brain can think the word, but your mouth needs to say it.
So always out loud, even if it feels strange.
Second, copy the music of the sentence. English has a rhythm, a melody.
For example, how are you? We stress the word are.
Not how are you, not how are you, we say how are you.
Listen to how we say it and copy that, not just the words, the music too.
Third, don't rush. Say it slowly first, then a little faster.
For example, nice to meet you. Say it slowly. Nice to meet you.
Then normal speed. Nice to meet you.
Then natural speed. Nice to meet you. Just like that.
Slow, normal, natural. 3 steps.
You can say slow is good. Slow teaches your mouth the shape of the words.
Exactly. And one more thing. Don't worry about your accent.
Your accent is beautiful. It is part of who you are.
The goal is to be understood, not to sound like a TV presenter.
Clear English, confident English. That is enough. Now let's practice different situations. More real life, more variety.
First situation. You are ordering food. Very common, very useful.
Listen first, then repeat with us.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like a sandwich and a coffee.
What size coffee? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And can I have it hot?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It's $7.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Okay, now repeat after us, line by line.
Hi, can I help you?
Say it. Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please. I would like a sandwich and a coffee.
Repeat. Yes, please. I would like a sandwich and a coffee.
What size coffee? Small, medium, or large?
Your turn. What size coffee? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. And can I have it hot?
Say it. Medium, please. And can I have it hot?
Of course. Anything else?
Repeat. Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
Your turn. No, thank you. How much is it?
It's $7.
Say it. It's $7.
Here you go. Thank you.
Repeat. Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
One more time. Enjoy your meal.
Perfect. Now let's try one more situation. Asking for directions.
Listen first.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just down the road. Turn right at the traffic light.
How far is it? Can I walk?
Yes, about 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Now, line by line. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Say it. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Repeat. Of course. What do you need?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Your turn. Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just down the road. Turn right at the traffic light.
Say it. It's just down the road. Turn right at the traffic light.
How far is it? Can I walk?
Repeat. How far is it? Can I walk?
Yes, about 5 minutes on foot.
Your turn. Yes, about 5 minutes on foot.
Thank you so much.
Say it. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
One last time. No problem. Have a good day.
Excellent. You are doing so well.
And what do you think, Sarah? Does repeating really work?
100%. When I was learning, I repeated sentences every morning in the mirror for 10 minutes.
In the mirror?
Yes, you can see your face, your mouth, and it helps you feel more confident too.
I love that. Mirror practice. Everyone, try that at home.
10 minutes every morning. You will be amazed at the difference. Okay, now a final practice round. These are everyday sentences. Very useful, very natural.
We say each one twice. You repeat both times. Ready?
Good morning. How are you?
Say it. Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Repeat. I'm doing well. Thank you.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Your turn. Can you speak slowly, please?
I don't understand. Can you say that again?
Say it. I don't understand. Can you say that again?
That's a great idea.
Repeat. That's a great idea.
I would like some water, please.
Your turn. I would like some water, please.
See you later. Have a good day.
Say it. See you later. Have a good day.
My English is getting better every day.
Say it loud. My English is getting better every day.
One more time, even louder.
My English is getting better every day.
Yes, because it is true. It really is.
Every time you repeat, you get a little better, a little stronger.
And those little bits add up every single day. Now it is your turn to show us something.
Yes, we have a comment challenge for you today.
Pick any sentence from this episode, any one you liked, and write it in the comments.
For example, my English is getting better every day. Write that.
Or, no problem, have a good day. Write that one.
Any sentence, just write it. In English, no translation.
And if you want an extra challenge, write 2 sentences or make your own.
We love reading your comments, every single one.
So don't be shy. Write something right now before you close this video.
This is your practice moment. Use it.
Okay, everyone, we're at the end of today's speaking workout.
How do you feel? A little more confident? We hope so.
Remember, your mouth needs practice, just like any muscle.
10 minutes a day. Repeat out loud. Copy the rhythm. Don't rush.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're trying, and trying means you're learning.
Every word you said today, that was real English, real practice, real progress.
Be proud of yourself. You showed up. You practiced. That is already amazing.
Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast. You make this so much fun for us.
If this episode helped you, please like it and subscribe so you never miss us.
We have a brand new episode coming very soon. Trust us, you will not want to miss it.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep repeating, keep speaking, keep growing. You've absolutely got this.